Broan-NuTone range hoods, delivering fresh air by quickly removing odors and smoke, all while complementing kitchen designs. Broan-NuTone range hoods work to improve kitchen air while cooking and cleaning. In addition to high-quality ventilation, we've engineered innovative features like heat-sensing technology and flexible solutions to make installations easy. Our array of range hoods includes everything from simple, classic designs to beautiful statement hoods. At Broan-NuTone, we're improving indoor air, so every day, people can come home to fresh air.
There is nothing quite like home sweet home. Air is a thing of the past. Between beautiful Cosmo high-quality appliances that last and a price point that is fair is a thing of the past. Cosmo was founded with a rebellious spirit and an ambitious goal to bring you the premium luxury appliances of your dreams at a revolutionary price. We take pride in designing in-house for expert manufacturing, top-of-the-line parts, and luxury aesthetics. Enduring test after test in a lab, what we build was made to last. Expect cooking, cooling, and cleaning experiences that make life easier and brighten up your home. Constructed with cutting-edge technology and with the utmost care, Cosmo appliances support what truly matters, turning a house into a home. Cosmo is there for all of life's moments, passing down generations of delicious secret family recipes, helping Grandma bake her famous Christmas sugar cookies, and surprising your daughter on her birthday with her favorite homemade chocolate cake. We're right behind you when you need us. Cosmo means beautiful appliances that get things done right, so you can enjoy priceless family moments for years to come. A better home starts with Cosmo.
Sleek style meets reliable function. This stainless steel wall mount range hood delivers airspeed of up to 450 CFM and has energy-efficient LED lighting to illuminate your cooking range. The 3-speed fan and lighting feature is controlled with a sensor touch. Easy control at your fingertips. This 30-inch range hood features a 3-piece removable 5-layer non-stick aluminum mesh filters for easy cleaning and maintenance. The adjustable square duct pipe and installation kits make the installation a breeze. And even with the powerful 2.5A motor, it is extremely quiet, keeping the noise level under 65 decibels. With its modern minimalist style, your kitchen will look, feel, and function with elegance and sophistication. If you're looking for a wall-mounted kitchen range hood that will deliver heavy-duty power, high-end looks, and quiet ventilation, look no further than GASLAND Chef.
Audio Jungle.